full of man problem.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Why it's so bright? Why the light so bright? Welcome back to my channel. So guys, it's Shine. If I didn't know, now you know. I don't know if face looks so white, but I'm gonna work with it. So we are running late. I'm actually eat my breakfast right now, and I stand up, so you know, so I have to do whole things at one time. From the title down below, you already know what we are going to do. This is the behind the scenes for my new intro. Okay? So, did I? Anyway, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications. Follow me on all socials at Chesouye, and let's get on the road. So, we're supposed to pick up the videographer, the makeup artist, 30 minutes from where we live. So we need to go now because we tell them 9 o'clock and at 8:31 now. And we know traffic are up on the road, so we need to leave like right now. Say hi.
Hi,
How you doing?
me is Baker and me is eating the bread.
You eating bread? So guys, more soon. Watch up there, so I need to tidy up there. Please don't come for me in the comment section. I'm busy, okay? Anyway, and yeah, it's a whole vlog, so stay tuned. We'll go over there so go do makeup. One entrance down there, so. So guys, we literally just reached Emancipation Park. Mom and them look like them start the makeup already. And me just go in because me ever late. Me don't know. I'm tired.
You want to cut that?
Cut one.
The flag there.
4.
Let's see how well it's gonna hurt.
And that one them say me want we can rap.
There's something them I go drop out. Mash up.
Let's check out Mercedes.
Yes, our link will be in the description box to our channel, our YouTube channel, our Instagram, and our business page. I'm gonna go over there and follow her. Yeah, right through.
Yes, guys, check her out.
So, my day. This vlog I got just, I don't know, cause the thing not even go on. I know when me I put on first. Buckle it.
Mercedes did that. Check her out. I'll link her in the description box.
I'm gonna put that something up on my head. I don't know how it works. One video. Guys, this is the first look. These are the first look. And remember to go in the description box and use the link because the makeup do buy everything Mercedes. So mommy order whole set of bird from Amazon. So me I say why mommy order bird because me not think them here gonna look nice, but me actually try it on and it look good, so me I wear it. This is the fit. Mommy gonna change. Mommy now come back out here, so for now. Me look nice, but can't get over how nice me look right there. So. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe. Subscribe because other like content I go come. And me really and truly hope the intro is what I expect. I can't wait to share it with you guys. I know it's gonna be fire. Big up to Mercedes from Everything Mercedes. I'm gonna leave our link in the description box. Subscribe to our channel. Follow her up on Instagram. Follow our makeup page because the makeup is bomb. It don't move, it don't do nothing. I love it so much. I'm gonna lip gone because big up to V Image Studios for the shots. He was so patient, he was so understanding. Even the amount of trouble I give him, I do it over and over and over until I got it how I wanted. I'm sure me to shot them, and every photographer go do that. Big up to 01 King for my song. I'm not reveal the song yet, but it'll come soon. It'll come in the intro, so just stay tuned. Big up to you. Thank you so much for making my very own song with my name in it. My song. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I appreciate all the love. I appreciate all the support. It's only up from here. There's more to come. So stick with your girl, okay?
YouTube it. Some other channel just too foolish. Like, subscribe and share. Comment right here. I'm not like dog or YouTube lit.